Hey everyone! So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build Sub Zaps in Zapier step by step. If you're working with complex automations and want to keep things clean, reusable, and easier to manage, yeah, Sub Zaps are exactly what you need. This is the full updated guide for 2026, so let's jump right in. Before we build one, let's quickly clarify what a Sub Zap actually is. A sub zap is basically a reusable automation that you can call inside other zaps. Instead of rebuilding the same steps again and again, you build it once and reuse it wherever you want. It saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your main zaps much cleaner. All right, now let's create one. From your Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap. This zap will become your sub zap, so think of it as a helper workflow that other zaps will call. For the trigger, search for sub zap. Then choose Call Sub Zap as the trigger event. This is important because this tells Zapier that this automation is meant to be triggered by another Zap, not by an app like Gmail or Google Sheets. Now add the action steps you want this Sub Zap to perform. This could be formatting data, sending information to another app, creating records, or anything you'd normally do inside a Zap. Build it just like a normal automation, but keep it focused on one clear task. Once everything looks good, turn the Sub Zap on. Now, when you're building another Zap, you can add an action, choose Sub Zap, and call this automation whenever you need it. So instead of rebuilding logic, you just reuse it. Simple, clean, and scalable. And that's it. That's how you build and use Sub Zaps in Zapier to create cleaner, more powerful automations. If this helped you out, give the video a quick like and subscribe for more Zapier and automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.